Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how the dungeons function, why you need them, and the system is a little complicated. I'm using the politically correct word. Instead of stupid, I say complicated. But you need to understand that in order to progress, right? Here's how it works. Let's go to the dungeon. Let's say you want to do this week's dungeon. First of all, they rotate exactly like grid events from here. 2 days and 5 hours. And the dire mall changes in 2 days and 5 hours. Let's say I want to enter the dungeon. We will talk about rewards after, because it's even more complicated than, than this thing. Click enter the dungeon, and as you can see, I only see two undead heroes. It is because you can only do the dungeon using the heroes of the current week's grid event. So what do we have? We have Undead Week this week. That means we can only use Undead heroes this week. If you don't have any heroes of the current week's grid event, you'd have to buy one, it's 90 gold. But if you don't have any heroes, for example, if you didn't have any Undead heroes now, you wouldn't be able to even enter the dungeon. Each hero, not each family, but each hero has his own progression system. Which means, when you start doing this dungeon or any other dungeon for the very first time, it's going to be dungeon level 1. Even if your deck is level 200, you're gonna start with level 1. When you complete the dungeon, when you kill all 3 bosses in one run, your dungeon is gonna go up by 1 level. So next time you click join, start the dungeon, your dungeon is gonna be level 2. You complete it level 3, and so on and so on. Every boss gives you this energy. You need energy to upgrade your minis and heroes and everything that is upgradable in this game. Full clear gives you 1 point. Where do you spend these points? You go here. Every slot in the deck can be upgraded. And it can be upgraded up to 3 times. Each upgrade gives plus additional level. To the slot. If the mini that is in the slot matches the symbol of the slot, for example right here, if you put spell into this slot, which is exactly what we have Blizzard, you're gonna get additional levels for this spell. And the level is the most important thing in this game. It's way more important than anything else. That is what you need to do the dungeons for. Eventually, your whole deck is going to have plus 3 levels each, plus 21 level. Which is a lot. It's going to help you to progress through the campaign significantly, and the most important thing is PvP. Because PvP now counts the average level of your deck. Unfortunately, back in the day it wasn't like that. So the level is a king. Okay, I'm going to upload the full run of Dire Maul tomorrow. It's going to be a full run with commentaries, explanations, every single mechanic for every single boss for this Dire Maul dungeon will be covered. Unfortunately, it's gonna reset in 2 days, so we won't have time to use that. But you'll be able to use this guide on the next rotation, and I'll try to make things on time next time.